After a 2-year hiatus of the bar examinations in the country due to the pandemic, the 3 host institutions for the regional exams here in Cebu are now ready for the 4th and 6th of February. These are the University of Cebu Banilad Campus, University of San Jose Recoletos Basak Campus, and the University of San Carlos Main Campus. For USJR in particular, the venues will be at their St. Ezekiel Moreno Building and St. Pius Building. Their school has more than 100 bar-takers from their Sambiglis class of 2020 and Maalab class of 2021.
So far now, insofar as USJR, University of San Jose Recoletos is concerned, being a bar site, where all systems go. Currently, nag-antigen testing sa tulo ka bar sites, including USJR, and electricity, internet connection is up and running. We have a generator set ready also in case there would be a power outage. Hopefully wala lang. And physically, we're all good. All the rooms, including isolation rooms, are okay. So all systems go for USJR. We're very hopeful. No, we waited for 2 years, more than 2 years, for this bar examination, this historic bar examination to push through. And finally, we are here, and giusab ang bar coverage, giusab pod ang subjects, no? And the number of subjects, giusab ang days. And we're hopeful that this will be a very reasonable examination, and I hope they would be a little more lenient to give due consideration to our bar candidates who waited this long and had to go through the pandemic and Typhoon Odette, no, the calamity, just to take this bar examination.
USC, on the other hand, will host the exams at their College of Law and Business buildings. They have 210 bar takers from their Olympus class of 2020 and Hiraya class of 2021.
Insofar as the bar site is concerned sa USC, we are 100% prepared for the bar examination. Well, it's really difficult on our part, especially that there are protocols that we need to follow. But somehow we manage, and of course we have to do the usual things that we are to prepare, like the preparation of kits, also the transportation, the packed lunch of our examinees. And I think the most important one is really the preparation of oneself, no, for the bar examination, the antigen test, and as well as sa ilahang holistic na preparation, no, for the bar. We also have pre-week lectures, just like in previous years.
According to the Supreme Court Bar Bulletin number 33 series of 2022, there are 18 venues for the regionalized bar examinations in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. All 8,546 bar takers are now undergoing their antigen test at their examination venues, which is one of the requirements as mandated by the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, police and traffic personnel, as well as members of the Cebu City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office, are already on standby outside the host institutions. They also announced that from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. on February 4 and 6, they will close Pilai Street and portion of San 𝐶𝐲𝐶 and strictly prohibit the blowing of horns and videoke sessions near the 3 schools where the bar exams will be held.
Doon natin mga road closure during the examination. There is sa may Pilay and San 𝐶𝐲𝐶 sa likod sa San Carlos. It will be closed for traffic from 4 o'clock in the morning until 8 o'clock sa evening, no? That would be on Friday and Sunday. So pahibalo ni sa ato ang mga kaigsunan nga kung doon na mo tuyo or namuagim ato lang likayan ning dala nato sa Pilays o sa San 𝐶𝐲𝐶 during this day, pizza 4 o pizza 6 kay ato siyang i-close sa traffic in preparation sa that is for during the exam, para ang ato ang mga examini makafocus sila walay saba, no? Usa ni siya sa rason nga nung atong gi-close kay sa classroom kung asa magpaygayon ang bar exam, madungog man ang mga andar sa sakyanan ug mga serbato. So mihangyo ang ato ang representative from the Supreme Court nga kung pwede atong ma-close. So that's why hing-approve man sad ang UC and ang personnel sa CCTO nga i-close ni siya nga area. But for the Banilad, UC Banilad, it will be open for traffic ra gyapon. Pero atong gibawal ang magbusina, no? Mogamit og busina og ang mga saba nga mga sakyanan o mga motor. So ato ni silang i-apprehend. No, doon natay mga signboard nga ibutang daan nga no blowing of horns. The same with sa San Jose, Recoletos, ang outer lane will be closed but the remaining two lanes, the inner and the second lane will be open. No, ang kanisiyang outer lane intended ni sa mga sakyanan sa faculty and representative sa magkandak og examination. But for the examinee, they are not allowed to bring, ato nang discourage nga magdala sila gilahang kaugalingong sakyanan. So venue because they will not be allowed.
This has been Sheriza Uy from my TV Cebu.